Ever wondered why maintaining the gearbox of a forklift is of paramount importance? Well, a well-maintained gearbox not only ensures the smooth operation of a forklift, but also extends its lifespan, saving you from costly repairs or replacements in the long run. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of forklift gearbox maintenance, imparting some wisdom on how to repair it step by step. First things first, always ensure the forklift is switched off and parked in a safe place before beginning any form of maintenance. Safety always comes first. The initial step is to drain the old oil from the gearbox. Position a catch pan beneath the gearbox drain plug, remove the plug, and allow the oil to drain completely. This is a critical step as the old oil might contain metal shavings or other debris that could potentially damage the gearbox. Next, replace the drain plug and remove the gearbox cover. This will expose the gears inside. Here's where the true work begins. Examine the gears thoroughly. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as broken or chipped teeth. If you spot any, these gears will need replacing. Removing the damaged gear involves loosening the bolts that secure it in place. Once loosened, the gear should slide out with relative ease. Remember, handle with care. These components are crucial to the operation of the forklift and can be quite fragile. With the damaged gear removed, it's time to insert the replacement. Ensure the new gear aligns correctly with the other gears before securing it in place with the bolts. This alignment is crucial for the smooth operation of the gearbox and, by extension, the forklift. Once you've replaced all necessary gears, it's time to reseal the gearbox. Place the cover back on and secure it with the bolts. Then, fill the gearbox with new oil. Ensure the oil level is correct as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Too much or too little oil can lead to problems down the line. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to maintaining and repairing a forklift gearbox. To summarize, the process involves draining the old oil, removing the gearbox cover, inspecting the gears for damage, replacing any damaged gears, resealing the gearbox, and filling it with new oil. Remember, regular maintenance of the gearbox can prevent minor issues from snowballing into major problems, saving both time and money in the long run. In the world of mechanics, knowledge is power. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep maintaining. Until next time, keep those gears turning.